Have you ever heard someone say, "I'm not a math person, I just wasn't born that way"? Some people think that intelligence is genetic. That would mean your smarts come from your parents, like having brown eyes or being able to roll your tongue. But is that really how it works? A few years ago, a group of scientists tested this theory. They studied a group of mice who did nothing all day but sleep and eat. No challenges, just an easy, relaxing life. Then, the
Really?
scientists looked at a group of mice who did brain workouts all day. The mice explored mazes, solved puzzles, looked for hidden food, and hid from predators. And guess what? Those mice actually got smarter. They could solve new problems and learn new things much faster than the other mice. Scientists have studied this process in people too. In one study, scientists split participants into two groups. The first group took juggling lessons and practiced juggling every day. The second group did. When scientists compared the images of the two groups' brains, they noticed that the brains of the people in the juggling group had changed. One part of their brains got stronger. The scientists believe that this is the part of the brain that they exercised while they were juggling. It turns out, brain power isn't set at birth. In fact, our brains are a lot like muscles. With exercise and practice, you can build your brain and make it stronger. No one is born knowing how to read or build a robot, but anyone can learn these things. So how does it happen? Our brains are made up of cells called neurons. There are billions and billions of neurons, and they all have branches that reach out. When the branches get close enough, they connect, and energy zings along the pathways they make. Making these connections is what we're wired for. When you learn something new, the neurons grow and connect. They make a neural pathway, an actual path for thinking and remembering. The more you challenge yourself, like trying new things and pushing yourself to ask questions, and even failing at stuff and trying again, the more connections and neural pathways your brain makes. That's how you learn to do things. That's how you grow your brain. So the next time you think, "I'll never be good at this," well, maybe you're not good at it yet. But who knows? With some practice and support, you could be.